Welcome to the next video of the Boardroom. Basically, we are going to Boardroom again. So I want to add something here. Actually, Boardroom is created in a way that actually you don't have to worry about anything wherever you come here, as it is the apps has been created very user friendly. For example, if you come here, you'll easily understand actually uh, why it's been created. For example, if you come here, for example, if you click on the option like manage multiple store, you'll be able to see what does it mean. You can add multiple Shopify store at the same time, and you can manage all of them from a single platform, as I have already described it before, right? So, and how it's gonna work, here is an option. Though I'm gonna show you everything, but I'm saying about the compactness of using Boardroom. So as we still have some more option to you know discuss, let's go here. So we already know actually how this option gonna work for you, as we have already described it in the last video, right? So let's come here. I will be creating a video on the content, so I'm going to the overview for the now. So if you come here, basically if you come in the overview, you'll be able to see the net profit of last 30 days, and you can select your brand store from here, right? For example, you have multiple store, as I said before. Sweet store, how much your net profit right now? This is 23,000, right? And total revenue is 40,000, and total expenses 17,000, total order and average value. And also you can see, or you can track all of them by a chart from here. Also you can track them from product as well. If you come here and if you select on a single product from this store, from Sweet store, you'll be able to see actually which products are getting more sales, right? So, and if you come in the next section, as you can see the expenses and how much did you spend on this month or this year, and how much did you spend today. You will be able to see all of them like this. And there is another option called net profit. So basically here is an overview of everything, but when you come here, you will be able to see everything with an individual chart. So this is really gonna work for you like manager, right? And everything is like crazy, man. So also if you come here, you'll be able to see your average order value, how much your average order value, and you'll be able to see lots of things from here, right? So if I come to the next option, which is advertising, you'll be able to see how much did you spend for advertising, and how is your conversion rate, and what is your CPG conversion, and everything you'll be able to see from here. So if I select one of my store from here, for example this one or this one, oh, there is no advertising yet. So for example all, so there is no advertising cost yet. So but if you're running some ads from for some social media or Google ads, wherever, you will be able to see all of them and track them from here. Also you can see your campaign from here. For example, whenever you are going to run some ads, we are going to create some campaign like different audience, different campaign, different targeting audience, different targeting campaign, right? So it should be on Facebook or other social media platform, and you will be able to see your campaigns from here. Okay, and how much did you spend for this campaign, and how much impression did you get from this campaign, and for this campaign. So this is going to be individual campaign. You will be able to track individually. Okay, and whenever you come to the next option, there is an option for ad set as well. And if you come to the next option, there is an option for ad as well. What is your ad name, what is your ad set name, how much did you spend, so, and what is your in impression, outbound click, click through rate, and per click costing, conversion rate, everything is here, everything is developed. So I'm pretty sure that actually you'll get no platform like this to manage everything from a single platform. Yes, you will get lots of platform, but you have to manage lots of software to manage this kinds of data. But with the Boardroom, you are going to manage everything from a single platform, and that is going to give you an ultra level of you know compactness, right? And if I come to the next option, which is inventory, you can see all of the inventory from here. And also if you just select your store, you'll be able to see your products and variant, and how much revenue did you get from those products. And if you select Sweet store, you'll be see actually which product are getting, you know, lots of sell, and these kinds of data. Okay, so these are the things about inventory. And if I come to the next option, which is sales, you'll be able to see the total sales of all of your store. For example, as I have selected all of the store from Shopify, so that's why actually it's showing me the, you know, total revenue of the last 30 days, right? For example, if I just choose to a single store, or if I go to another store, this store has no sales yet. So if I go to the fraud assistant, this one have $75 only. So if I come to the year, there is no sales in this store. So if you have multiple store, you'll be able to track them easily from here. Also you can, you know, track your days, how many days do you want to track, right? So there are you know, by default option are created 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, 180 days. Also you can, you know, select custom, or you can go for a total number of revenue. So this option is like gonna help you a lot, right? So if I come to the expenses, this option is also very useful, as that is going to show you actually how many dollar did you spend for all the platform, like for your products, ads, and lots of things, right? So if you come here, you'll be able to see this thing here: advertising cost, manual expenses, cost of goods sold, and all expenses you'll be able to track from here. Also there is the option, this option is created every single where, so you can track wherever you go. You can track every single option by every single, you know, store, right? So this thing are created very user friendly. So if I come to the next option, you'll be able to see the my product option. Basically, if you come to the Boardroom, or if you go through Boardroom, actually whenever you click through them, you will easily understand actually why this option are created, why this option are created, or why this option are created. Basically it's very user friendly. So whenever you are going to work with some client, or if you are you know, a Shopify online store owner, I would 100% recommend you to use this app, as it's going to save even thousands of dollars every year, as you don't need any manager. Okay, and we still did not see an option which is content that is going to save an extra thousands of dollars. I will be showing you them as well. So how it's gonna work actually, as you don't need any copywriter whenever you are going to use this option, as you can write your own product description. Or if you still hire someone, actually you'll be able to hire them in a low cost, as they are going to use them, or they are going to write them by using AI, which is has been created by Boardroom as integrated with ChatGPT. So the things are really crazy. So if you come here, you'll be able to see the all the products from here. Also you can, you know, see the, you can filter it from here: unit sold, margin, gross profit, revenue, everything is created here. And whenever you come here, you'll be able to see actually which product are getting lots of sales, and there is the revenue and how much unit sold, order, COGS, and everything, gross profit margin, and in percentage. So you'll be able to see everything from here. Also if you come to the next option, you'll be able to see the variant breakdown option. So if I come to the option which is called supplier, so you'll be able to see your supplier name here, and supplier type, and manufacturer, pricing list, and lots of things from here whenever you are managing some store, or whenever you are owning some store. Okay, so if you come to the next option, which is cost of goods sold tracker, you'll be able to see your costs of, you know, costs of your goods. As you can see, everything is been tracked here, right? So all of the thing about Boardroom is really crazy. So in the upcoming video, I'm going to show you about this option, which is called content, and how it's gonna help you with your Shopify store. Okay, that's for now. Stick around.